Hey guys, this is Alpha J8, Christmas tree picks or tree fillers. To make snowballs, I use these styrofoam balls. I stuck a toothpick in it and painted it white. Then set it aside to dry. You'll also need floral wire and floral tape. I use 18-inch floral wire. I cut the wire at 6 inches. I used 3 pieces to make one tree pick or tree filler. Then I wrapped it with floral tape. To do this, I started near one end. Tug the floral tape and wrap the wire at an angle. Slightly overlap the previous wrap as you go. When you reach the end, hold the tape over and continue wrapping while going back down. Wrap at least half of the wire. Then I bent it 2 inches from the top. Remove the toothpicks from the snowballs and replace them with floral wire. Add hot glue to secure them. I braided the 3 wires together to create a stem. Then I wrapped it with floral tape. I also used 12-inch garland ties. This was from Lowe's, but I've seen garland ties sold at Target. You could also try using branches from an old wreath or garland. I cut each garland tie in half, making it 6 inches. Then I glued them to the stem. I used 3 pieces per tree pick or tree filler. Next, I wrap the garland and stem with floral tape. You could add more things to it, like pine cones, but I decided to keep it simple. You could also hot glue pine cones to floral wire instead of using snowballs. Stick it in your tree, garland, or wreath, and your Christmas tree picks or tree fillers are done.